In this video, we'll show you how to pre-fill a Zoho form with data stored in Google Sheets using dynamic pre-fill webhooks. Here we have a Google Sheet that contains employee information, employee ID, name, email, department, and more. We'll set up the employee data form such that when an employee enters their employee ID, the rest of the form fields are filled automatically with the corresponding data from the Google Sheet. To achieve this, we need to connect this sheet with Zoho Forms first. Go to Extensions and click App Script. This opens the Google Apps Script Editor in a new tab. Give your project a name like Employee Data. Paste the sample script provided in the document below. The script will let us search the sheet by employee ID and return the matching employee details. Now, update the script with your details. Replace the sheet ID from your sheet's URL. Enter the sheet name. For example, Employee Sheet is the name of our Google Sheet. Set the column to Search. Since Employee ID is in column A, we'll set it as 1. Click the Deploy button, choose New Deployment, and under Select Type, pick Web App. For description, type something like Employee Data. Under Execute As, select your account. Under Who Has Access, choose Anyone. Click Deploy. If this is your first time, Google will ask for authorization. Click Advanced, then go to Employee Data and click Allow to grant permissions. After deployment, you'll receive a web app URL. This is the endpoint we'll use in Zoho Forms to fetch employee data. Let's test it quickly. Open a new browser tab and paste your URL, adding a query parameter at the end. Then press Enter. Here, we're searching for Employee ID 1002. The script responds with Richard Henry details in JSON format. Exactly the row from our sheet. Perfect. Now, let's connect this to Zoho Forms. Open your form, go to Settings. Under Prefill, click on Dynamic Prefill Webhook. Click Configure. Under Webhook Settings, select Employee ID as the search field. This is the value Zoho Forms will use to look up data in your Google Sheet. Make sure the field you select here matches the column you defined in your script as column to search. For example, since we set up the column to search in the script as 1, which is column A, Employee IDs, we choose the search field also to be Employee ID here. Next, paste the web app URL you copied earlier into the URL field. Under Record Identifier, enter the word Query. This tells Zoho Forms how to pass the employee ID to your Google script. Now run a quick test. Enter an employee ID from your sheet, for example, 1002. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see the corresponding employee details returned as a JSON response. Finally, map the fields from your sheet's response to the form fields. Save the setup. Now, let's see it in action. Open the live form and enter the employee ID, for example, 1002, and click the search icon. Zoho Forms sends a request to your Google Sheet, fetches the matching record, and pre-fills the form automatically. That's it. With dynamic pre-fill webhooks configured, your forms can now pull data from Google Sheets, giving you accurate, pre-filled forms every time.